Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you turnip. In typical Punjabi we call Shalgam. I'm going to cook turnip with chicken. And how do I cook it? I'm going to share with you. I have a 1 pound of turnip, boneless, skinless, breast tenderloin, half pound, 1 small onion, 3 green chili, 1 teaspoon cumin seed, Jerra, all the spices, half teaspoon, paprika, coriander powder, black pepper, Garam Masala, Turmeric powder, salt. 1 teaspoon unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon minced garlic, ginger paste, 1 teaspoon. Chicken cut into the small chunks, onions are diced, turnip peeled, washed and cut into small chunks. And let's start tadka. Start gas, bring olive oil and butter, cumin seed, garlic, ginger, onion. Saute our onion for 1 minute. Green chili. I'll bring chicken. Cook chicken for 2 minutes. I'll bring all the spices. Mix it well. I'll bring turnip. Give a good mix. Bring your gas to medium, cover with the lid and cook it for 10 minutes. Cooking for 5 minutes with the closed lid. I'm going to use a quarter cup of water. Mix it and cover with the lid again and we'll cook it for 5 more minutes. Another 5 minutes cooking with the closed lid, altogether 10 minutes. Turnip and chicken sabzi is all ready. Add some cilantro, dhania, give a good mix and I'm going to dish out. Turnip with the chicken, shalgam with the chicken. It's a beautiful dish. If you haven't tried it, please try it. And it's very delicious and very easy to cook. For more mouth-watering recipes like this, please subscribe Easy Steps. And I'm going to see you soon with the new recipe. Bye-bye.